Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Phantom Wallet mobile app. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, particularly those on the Solana blockchain. To get started, first download and install the Phantom Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create New Wallet to set up your new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and then to save your recovery phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard, where you can view your balance, transaction history, and navigate to other features. To receive cryptocurrency, click on the Receive tab, where you will find your unique wallet address that you can share with others to receive funds. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send tab, enter the recipient's wallet address, and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before confirming the transaction. Phantom Wallet also allows you to stake your Solana tokens, which means you can earn rewards by participating in the validation process on the Solana network. To stake your tokens, click on the Stake tab, select the staking option you want to use, and follow the prompts to complete the process. In addition to these features, Phantom Wallet also provides a built-in swap feature that allows you to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. To use this feature, click on the Swap tab, select the tokens you want to exchange, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your recovery phrase safe and do not share it with anyone. Also, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. In conclusion, Phantom Wallet is a user-friendly and secure mobile app that makes it easy to manage your cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Phantom Wallet to send, receive, and stake your cryptocurrencies with confidence.